Lucy, what do you think you're doing? Are you trying to chew into the treat bag? You silly girl. This is why I named you Lucy. She's up on the camera. She's so cute. Oh my god, this cat is like a wild animal. Like she's jumping from tree to tree or something. She's crazy. She's like, that's why I want her to be an outdoor cat, because she's just that type of cat, I think, that like needs to be outside. Yep. Look at her. She's nuts. Look at her. She just pulled the thing out of the box. She's too funny. Is that cat treats?
That's dog treats.
Oh, it's dog treats? What are you doing, Lucy? You're nuts. Ay, ay, ay. Silly girl. Silly girl. Alright, let's put these back in here. What are you doing now? You going back? Crazy. She's chewing on it.
Like she did the cat food bag, remember?
Yeah.
She like getting her own food.
I know. Yeah. She's always looking at Gigi's plate before she even like tries to get at her own food. She's always wants
She wants hers first, and then she goes for hers.
Yeah, she wants everyone else's food and her own. She's such a little fatso.
She's the best cat.
What are you doing, silly girl? You are so cute. Hi.
If she stops what she's doing, look at how long her tail is.
I know.
So abnormal. I had to get Vicks from
Look at her. You can't even see her. She's hiding. Oh, there she is.
Huh? I had to get Vicks so I can breathe tonight.
Yeah, I can't lose this cat. No way.
Lucy. Lucy,
My baby. My girls. Everyone else is having kids, and I'm just over here like, hey, with my pets. Yeah, I'm never having kids. Ever. Never ever. Gonna miss this place.